Hi you guys, it's me Ashley and this is my master bedroom clean and decorate. This is my room decluttered, so if you want to know how my room looked decorated, I'm going to link a card right up above. Let's get started. So of course I started off with cleaning. I grabbed my Swiffer and I got to dusting. The top of my headboard does collect quite a bit of dust, so I wanted to get rid of that before cleaning the headboard. If you guys been following me for a while, you know that I've had this oil stain on my headboard. I have just been way too scared to clean it myself, but in the end I did finally grab my cleaner from Rooms to Go. It came with my sofa. It's absolutely free, so if you have furniture from Rooms to Go, I suggest you go get you a bottle. But I used that to try to attack this oil spot. It actually worked pretty well. You guys will see a little while later of how it looked. While this is drying, we're going to go ahead and move to the lamps on the side of the bed. It's so much dust that collected up here. It is crazy. I also dusted off the mirror behind it and then I started to clean it. You guys know the cleaner of choice is always that perfect glass. These mirrors came from Kirkland quite a few years ago. They caught them on sale. They were actually about $25. Of course, we got two, but yeah, they're beautiful and I love them to death. The newest addition to my room are these beautiful nightstands. They're actually 3-door chests that I got from Exclusive Furniture. They're about $300 each. I love them so much. They are pretty much full glass all the way around. They're beautiful. These are beautiful. I just love them so much. The video was actually geared around these nightstands because yes, they're, like I said, new. Can you guys tell I really love mirrors in my house? This one sits over to the side of the bed. Yes, it just, I don't know, mirrors just does a special thing to me. Granted, the aesthetics of it, and then it just bounces off the light, so my room is like matte bright. When I add that white in it, you guys, elevation. Last mirror, I promise. But you guys know this area is where I do all of my little get ready with me's over on Instagram. When I take pictures of my outfit, it's always over in this mirror. I love it so much. It sits behind my door over in the cuts. But yes, I also have this mirror face toward the bed. Don't ask me why, you should already know. Next, I went ahead and spot cleaned a few sections of my wall. I had to touch up this baseboard because it was just giving me all types of grimy effects. So I went ahead and I cleaned up that, and like I said, I touched up a few of the scuff marks on my wall. When those chairs hit my wall, they create this line that wipes off great with these Dollar Tree magic erasers. A little bit more dusting. Please don't forget your fan. These things get so filthy. So I did use a little bit of perfect glass as well as a cloth to get the scuffs off our television. Our dresser came from, again, Exclusive Furniture. This is where the real transformation took place for me, getting rid of the navy blue. Before I change my curtains, I'm going to dust and use my vacuum to clean my windowsill. I also made sure to wipe down the inside of my windows with, guess what? Perfect glass. These beautiful sheer curtains came from Amazon, and of course they'll be linked below. I really wanted curtains that drape the floor, but with our automatic RoboVac, that just wasn't an option. Let's do a vacuum montage, shall we? Now that the floor is good and clean, I am going to put our chairs back. These are extras from our dining room. I'm putting them as well as a little table here, but before I put the table and the decorations, I'm going to go ahead and spot clean a few more spots. These chairs did come from Exclusive Furniture, by the way, but I'm again using that Rooms to Go cleaner to clean my chairs. So I did want to make sure I showed you what the headboard looked like clean. You can still see it in certain angles, but this looks so much better. So one of my favorite parts with these type videos is spreading the bed. I put on my fitted sheet and now I am tucking my flat sheet. Guys, I like this thing to be tight. So yeah, I fold in that full bottom half, like the bottom portion of the bed, tuck that in and then corner off the sides. We don't like cold feet and I hate for this stuff to shift around, so definitely tighten this section. So these are freshly washed sheets, and of course they are a bit wrinkled. So I pulled out my iron. I have never ironed my sheets before, but this is new routine. It's a lot simpler than it looks. Definitely doing this every time I put new sheets on my bed. If you followed my vlogs before, you would have seen me get a new comforter for this setup. However, it was labeled wrong, so I washed this one on my own. I was really about to toss this one out, honestly, because I burnt the bottom half of it, but I needed a comforter just for the aesthetic. I am on the lookout for a new one, so if you see it different on Instagram, that's why. The real star is this throw I picked up from Target. It is so beautiful. It's by that Casalona brand. Oh my gosh, I love this throw. It just hits right. It's super long, it's drapey, it's everything. So I'm covering that bottom half of my bed with it. Therefore I have 3 layers to keep me warm. Again, I tucked in all of my bottom half. I love seeing the baseboard of my bed, but I am leaving that free edge just folded hanging. These decorative pillows were purchased from Hobby Lobby. I bought them maybe last year sometime while I was in Macon, Georgia, my hometown. So yeah, I bought these. They were $25 each. So yeah, the set was $75, but I really love them. They're beautiful, they're big, and I adore them. Finally, time to actually get some decor going. I'm adding some faux flowers right next to the bed just to keep that nice romantic vibe. This room is nothing without my love, so a cute little picture and this Casalona candle from Target again. It was also $25. This is the scent Clarity. To make sure we keep all watermarks from our bed, I am going to add this little gray coaster because, you know, my water and my wine go here. We've had this set for years and years. It came from Marshall's, my favorite store. Hubby bought me these beautiful flowers the other day and I just thought it added a great pop of color in my Marshall's candle. I purchased this wig trimmer set from Amazon. It will be linked below. It's actually in a 4-piece, but I thought it was really pretty here as I like candles on the regular. So I moved this beautiful girl here in from the living room. The basket came from Marshall's and the watering can came from Burlington. I love my bed tray. This thing is very functional. We use it to house stuff as well as to eat on. Here's what I have on my tray. So I have my TV remote, my bed remote. I also added my computer as well as my notebook. And of course we can't forget the pen. As usual, what I do to my bedroom, I do to my master bathroom. So I am removing all the pink and the blue. Hence, I put my eucalyptus in this really slender gold tray and I pushed everything back, as well as switching out these navy blue rugs and adding some fresh white carpets in here. I almost forgot my little hand towels. I am adding some green right up in here because these are things I already had. Finally, time to light the candles. So you already know what that means. It's time for the reveal. I do hope you guys enjoyed my little transformation. I am in love with the outcome of this room. Complete oasis. Like always, guys, peace.